You've tried this, right? Typed your prompt and got this mess. You imagine cinematic worlds with just a few words. But what you get looks more like this. Disappointing, right? Instead, I take a smarter route. Images first, then video. Instead of relying on a generic prompt-to-video tool, try this. Generate multiple high-quality images from your prompt using top-tier AI models. Compare the outputs and choose the one that truly stands out. We picked the best image and turned it into this. We picked the best image and turned it into this. We picked the best image and turned it into this. Here's the difference. Left is what text-to-video gave us. Right is what we created with our new method. Instead of waiting for the perfect tool, use what you have and evolve. This isn't just code, it's vision becoming reality. But remember, every trick has a cost. But what if I run out of credits? How can I continue to create videos? Don't worry, I made a full guide on how to use temp emails to get unlimited AI credits. Just tap here and you'll never run out again.